Talk to Globe hotline. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. For English instructions, press 1. Para sa Taglish, press 2. Para sa Tayan, press 3. Ikaw ay nasa prepaid menu. Kung ikaw ay tumatawag para sa inyong prepaid account, press 1. Kung para yung po. Kung gusto mong mag-check ng inyong prepaid load balance, press 1. Kung gusto mong mag-check ng prepaid load balance ng inyong loved ones na naka-Globe Roam, press 2. Kung ikaw ay tumatawag para magtanong tungkol sa roaming activation, promo registration, share a load or rewards points at items, para mag-activate ng roaming o mag-check ng balance habang naka-roaming, press 1. Para kumuha ng impormasyon sa ating call, text at surfing pro, alamin ang tungkol sa ating mga promos at mag-subscribe, i-dial lang ang *143 number sign mula sa inyong Globe mobile phone para ma-access ang aming self-service menu at piliin ang numerong katugma ng inyong katanungan. Ito'y mabilis na at libre pa. Maaari rin kayong mag-register sa mga promos sa... Salamat sa iyong feedback. Gusto mo bang kausapin ang aming agent? Press 1. Para bumalik sa nakaraang menu, press 8. Para bumalik sa main menu, press 9. Ikaw ay kinokonek ko na sa aming Talk to Globe team. Parating na ang pinakabagong phone. Siguraduhin lang na sa Globe nyo ito buhanin. Interesado ka ba? Ipalam lang sa aming customer service representatives at kayo ay tutulungan nila. Kung magpanatili ang mataas na kalidad ng aming serbisyo, ang pag-usap nyo ng aming agent ay maaaring mai-record.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Gusto ko lang po sana magtanong tungkol sa registrations ng mga promos nyo. Kasi po
Yes, ma'am.
pag nagre-register po ako, ang tagal pong makaregister. Tapos minsan po, yung load, ang tagal pong makarating.
Okay, ano po itong contract nila, ma'am? What promo po yung nire-register nila?
Yung only...
Yes, ma'am. Ano po?
Yung C10.
One moment, ma'am. Ano po yun?
C10.
C10. And then ano po yung number nila, ma'am, na ginagamit po sa registration?
0916
Yes, ma'am.
23
Yes po.
40
Yes, ma'am.
wait lang. 794.
Okay, how about your name, ma'am? Ilinaw na rin po.
Teresa Oliver.
Okay. Because yung nire-register ninyo is C10. Ano po yung concern po ng C10, ma'am? Or what would be the promo po included po dito sa C10?
Come again?
Anong C10 po na promo, ma'am? Yung gusto po nilang malaman? Is it po, ma'am, meron kayo na-receive na text message for you to be able to na makaregister with C10?
Oh my God, na-delete ko na yung text.
Okay, ito po. But then, ma'am, this one po is ginagamit ninyo dito sa Globe number po na binigay nila?
Actually, hindi po. Sa ano po yun? Pinsan ko po, ano kasi siya, PM user.
I'm sorry po, Ma'am Teresa. For this one po, ma'am, is ginagamit po ninyo for your TM concern. It would be best po, ma'am, na itawag po ito sa TM hotline.
Sige, okay po.
Using po yung TM number, ma'am, na ginagamit po sa registration, pwede po kayo tumawag sa 808. Open po sila, ma'am, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Free of charge po yung pagtawag, ma'am, kahit po wala kayong maintaining balance.
Okay.
Pwede po ninyong makausap yung ating pong account specialist po for TM concern na gusto po ninyong malaman.
Okay po. Regarding the, you said earlier na kahit wala pong maintaining balance.
Yes
Diba?
po.
Bakit po sa Globe, kailangan pong magkaroon muna ng maintaining balance bago ka makatawag?
Yes,
Makatawag
ma'am,
sa...
opo. So sa Globe po kasi, ma'am, you're required to have the maintaining balance at least 7 pesos po yung centavos na load before po makakontak po kayo sa customer service representative. But for TM po, ma'am, kahit po walang maintaining balance, open po kayong makatawag.
So,
Pero yung ang gagamitin po ninyong pagtawag, ma'am, PM number po.
Okay. So, bakit ganun? Bakit, paano if emergency, then wala kaming maintaining balance? Paano kami makakatawag sa inyo if there are any concerns na kailangan ipaabot sa inyo?
You can use naman po other group number to make call. Or even landline po ma'am will do kung meron naman po kayong landline.
Paano if walang landline? And kasi hindi lahat ng sa amin is Globe users. Paano nga pag walang maintaining balance?
I'm sorry po ma'am, but this one po will be our process for you to be able po na makakausap po or makatawag po sa hotline. So,
Okay.
at least 7 pesos and 50 centavos yung load sa Globe. And then, free of charge naman po yung pagtawag. And we are open po ma'am, 8 a.m. po to 10 p.m.
Okay. I have another concern pa po.
Yes, ma'am?
I have another concern regarding internet connection or your broadband.
I'm sorry, medyo pagkikutan po yung dating niya sa line.
I have another concern regarding po sa broadband.
Okay, and what would be that, ma'am?
Kasi, halos magtatatlong araw na, wala pa rin connection. Yung
Okay, ito pong broadband ninyo, ma'am, is prepaid po ba?
kamagin.
You are using po ba a prepaid number for your broadband account?
Yung may modem.
Monthly billings po?
Po?
Monthly billings po ba ito, ma'am?
Yeah.
Or yung nire-reloadan lang po regularly?
Monthly.
Okay, so meron po kayong registration, ma'am. So meron pong plan yung broadband po ninyo?
Yeah. Kasi actually, hindi siya sa akin.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi yung reklamo kasi ng yung talagang may-ari is, yun nga, halos matatatlong araw, wala pa rin internet connection sa kanila. Then, yun.
Okay, by the way, ma'am, kung nakalain po ito, as well as meron po itong monthly billings, if you want to know po, ma'am, the transaction, we have po options when you dial 211 po, ma'am, for broadband concern. Pero ma'am, if ever po na yung ginagamit ninyong broadband will be for prepaid, pwede ko po kayong i-assist to check po the information having po with the broadband na wala pa rin pong connection as of today.
Bakit wala pang connection? Can you refer me na lang to other
I'm sorry,
agents?
ma'am?
Can you refer to other agents na may about broadband?
Yung broadband line po ba, ma'am, or ito po ay prepaid?
Broadband, yung monthly billing.
Okay, sige ma'am, for that po, can you stay on the line? I'll be transferring your call po sa ating pong broadband specialist or sa ating pong broadband department para po mas ma-assist kayo better.
Okay.
Please stay on the line, ma'am Teresa. Thank you for calling.
Okay. Sabihin mo yung may landline.
Hi, this is Mona, your tech service specialist for Globe Broadband. How may I help you today?
I just wanna ask kung, kasi yung professor namin is yung broadband niya, wala pa rin connection dun sa kanila.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am. For me to assist you properly, may I have first the account number or Globe Links number na kinocomplain niyo?
Okay po. 83
Okay.
899
Yes.
3640.
While I'm pulling up the account, may I ask, have you called us previously regarding your concern?
Excuse me?
Have you called us previously, ma'am, regarding your concern?
Yes.
Sige po, check ko na lang ako ano yung naging previous conversation with the agent. Ano po yung pangalan ninyo para ma-address ko kayo properly?
Teresa Oliver, but yung account holder is Sir Cesbon Suceso.
And how you related po sa kanya, Ms. Teresa?
He's my professor po, and kasi apektado po kasi kami sa kawalan ng internet connection niya because pinupost niya po sa group page namin po yung grades namin, and nahahassle na po kami kasi kailangan na po namin yung grades namin.
Okay, understand, Miss Teresa. So, Miss Teresa, going back, I could see here yung mga previous reports nga that you were informed that the account is active. Kaya lang kasi up to this moment, and just like the previous report, yung account kasi is part pa rin ng network issue.
Okay
I
po.
really apologize, Miss Teresa, for the inconveniences. But rest assured naman that really our technicians are currently working para ma-resolve na tong issues to the soonest possible time.
The problem po kasi is that, lagi pong sinasabi na pagkatapos ng 24 hours, ganon, may mga estimated time. But, nung nakaraang days pa po kasi, yun lang palagi ang sinasabi. Kaya parang, ano na kami.
Okay, understand po how you feel right now, Miss Teresa, ha? But then kasi yung after 24 hours, yun, if in case, ang sinasabi doon, if in case that the restoration, kasi we were not provided on the exact date and time on when the restoration will be finished. If it happens lang na more than 24 hours siya, all the time na makaka-receive ng corresponding yearly date, that will reflect on the next billing statement.
Okay.
So for now po, I'll just be advising you to monitor. And the moment naman that could be restored.
Okay. So, sana po kung may paki-follow up na lang po sana kasi lagi po kami nag-aantay. Tapos sasabihin meron na tapos wala pa din po pala.
Okay. I'm sorry, Vicky, for the inconvenience.
Okay.
Record po na yun naman, naglalagay naman kami na follow-up notes sa pag tumatawag kayo lagi. And give us this chance na magawa to na aming mga technicians.
Okay.
Is there anything else that I can help you with?
Okay, tama na po yan. Okay na po. Sige.
Thank you for calling, Miss Teresa.
You're welcome.